Welcome everybody, and let us understand the types of number. Very first number is the natural number denoted by n, and it includes all those numbers like 1, 2, 3 which we use for everyday counting. Next is the whole number denoted by w, and the whole number again includes all those natural numbers and the number 0. And next to this is the integers, which is all those numbers which have negative and the positive numbers. It is denoted by letter z, and the examples can be any negative number or positive number. You can take example like -5, -0 or 1, 2, etc. After this, let us understand what is a rational number. These are denoted by letter q, and they are those numbers which can be denoted, which can be it can be expressed in the form of a upon b, wherein b should never be belonging to 0, otherwise the answer will be infinity. Okay, the examples can be 5 upon 9, like 3 upon maybe 5, etc. We will study in detail about these also later on. After this, let us understand what are irrational number. Now, since we know a rational number can be expressed in a upon b, irrational numbers are opposite of this, and the examples are pi, the value is 3.14 and it goes on. And the next is Euler's number, the value is 2.718, and again it is never ending thing. And after this we have another example. You can understand, it is called as a golden ratio. The value of this is 1.61, and it is again never ending. And again root 2 also. Root 2 was discovered by Hippasus. In fact, he was the person who discovered irrational number. He was the student of Pythagoras, and by chance he was just trying to express square of 2 in the form of fraction, and he was not able to do so. He discovered. Now this is, now find it yourself for you, FIY root 17. So try to calculate, pause the video and do it yourself. Now, what is we should understand that how many types of numbers are there. At least till middle school you should be acquainted with these numbers. Numbers can be categorized into real number and complex number. We will not study in detail complex number right now here, otherwise it will become very lengthy. Real number again can be categorized into rational and irrational number, which we already understood some time back. Okay, rational number again can be divided into two forms, that is integers and the numbers which are called as fraction, which we are very much acquainted to. Integers can be broadly categorized into negative and all those positive numbers and the number 0. We very well know that this is actually whole number. Now whole number can be into natural number and 0 itself. Natural number, what mathematicians did, they started playing with numbers and then they categorized into they grouped into different types again. Even number, which we have been hearing since grade 4th and 3rd, which can be divided by 2. Odd numbers are opposite of this, which cannot be divided up by 2. These are not the multiples of 2. Okay, next is the prime number. Prime numbers are those numbers which has got only two factors, that is a 1 and the number itself. There are a lot of examples like 3, 5, 11, etc. Let us understand the co-prime number. You should not mingle prime number with co-prime number. Let us understand with example 3 and 4. 3 has got two factors, 1 and 3, and 4 has got 1, 2 and 4. Now look at the common factors. These are 1. So the co-prime numbers, they will have only 1 as the common factor between them. So 3 and 4 are the co-prime. Now next we should understand composite number. They are the opposite of prime number. They have got a lot of factors, like more than 2 factors basically. Okay, so the number 6, the number 8, 9, so many. See, 6 here, it has got the factors 1, 2, 3 and the number itself. Let us understand now the perfect number. These are very interesting number. We can understand this with the help of example in a better manner. So see here, 6 is what? The factors are 1, 2 and 3, and just exclude the number itself, the 6 itself. Now add these factors, 1, 2 plus 3. It is again equal to 6. So these type of number which the sum of their factors excluding the number itself is the number itself. Okay, exclude the factors its own the itself. Okay, the sum will be the number itself. Now find it yourself, the number 28, whether this is perfect number or not. Keep smiling. Bye bye.